Good dogs. There we go. Good dogs. Okay, let's go. Good dogs. G! G! Fine, go that way. That's fine too. Hey, coming down and downhill. Do this without throwing me off. How does that sound, kids? Good dogs. Good dogs. Yes. That was awesome. Like we're gonna be turning up here somewhere. Possibly. I guess not. Guess not. Now imagine having a house, I don't know if you see the house or not, but imagine having a house right over there. Just being able to see the lake. God, it'd be so beautiful out here. God, I love Alaska. You guys slowing down again? That's fine. We can stay slow. We can stay slow, kids. Good dogs, there we go. Good dogs, yes. Oh, and I lost sight. You just chill, just keeps going. There they are. I've never been on these trails before, never been on this team before, never been on the sled before, so it's... We have the other mushroom in front of us, so I'm relying strongly on these dogs to know where the other team is at and take us with the other team. Okay, there's a tree there. Avoid that. Don't like hitting trees. Those are not fun to do. Okay. I always hate going across roads like that. Good dogs. Okay, good there. Good dogs. Good dogs. We're gonna stay nice and slow, that's fine. You guys can go fast, go slow, it's up to you. I ain't in no hurry, kids. Oh, that's what the signal's for. Okay. Hey, easy. Now just crossing. Easy. 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 Okay. We got the people up there with the dogs. Let's see if they'll do what they're supposed to do. G! G! Yes! 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 Good dogs! Woohoo! Let's go! On by! Yes! 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 Good dogs. And then we slow down again. But that's fine. Stay nice and slow. They're happy, I'm happy. We do have an old man in the team, so if they want to go slow, we can go slow. It is getting warm out here. I think it's like 35, 40 degrees, something like that. Sun's shining on us. Good dogs. Guys, you can see on there's a plane getting ready to land on the lake. I don't know how my GoPro's gonna pick it up though. Okay, so we're gonna go down that trail. Okay, looks like we may be getting close to getting back, I think. Okay, now where is that trail she took? Kids are gonna have to help me out because I don't know where the trail is. Find the trail for me. Is that it? Huh! Huh! Yes! Good dogs. Come on guys, let's go. Hike, hike, hike. Yep, yep, yep. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Good dogs. Try not to get too far away from the other team.